Manifestation, a word that carries with it the weight of dreams, desires and possibilities. But how do we truly manifest what we want in life? Today we'll uncover timeless wisdom shared by Sadhguru on how to align your mind, body, emotions and energy to create a life that reflects your deepest aspirations. We are active participants in the unfolding of our reality. This is the essence of manifestation, the power to shape our lives through the focused energy of our intentions. It is a dance between the inner world of our desires and the outer world of experiences. Manifestation is not about bending the universe to our will. It is about aligning ourselves with the universal forces that govern creation. It is about understanding that we are not separate from these forces, but rather we are expressions of them. Just as a dancer moves in harmony with the rhythm of the music, so too must we align ourselves with the rhythm of the cosmos. This alignment begins with understanding the creative power of our own minds. When we tap into this power, we become conscious creators of our reality. We move from a place of reaction to a place of creation. We step onto the dance floor of life, ready to lead with our intentions. Our minds are far more powerful than we often realize. They are not merely passive observers of reality, but active architects, shaping the world around us with every thought, belief and expectation. Just as an architect meticulously designs a building, our minds construct the blueprint of our lives. Our thoughts are the building blocks, our beliefs the foundation, and our expectations the scaffolding. The quality of our thoughts directly influences the quality of our experiences. Negative thoughts create limiting beliefs, which in turn manifest as obstacles and challenges. Conversely, positive thoughts foster empowering beliefs, paving the way for opportunities and abundance. To manifest our desires, we must first become aware of the thoughts that occupy our minds. We must weed out the limiting beliefs that hold us back and nurture the empowering beliefs that propel us forward. Clarity is the crucible in which our desires are transformed into tangible realities. It is the compass that guides our thoughts, emotions and actions, ensuring they are all aligned with our deepest aspirations. When our desires are vague or ambiguous, our energy becomes scattered like seeds sown on barren ground. But when our desires are clear and specific, our energy becomes focused, like a laser beam cutting through steel. Clarity requires introspection and honesty. It demands that we delve deep into our hearts and ask ourselves what we truly desire. It is not about what we think we should want or what others expect of us, but what resonates with our authentic selves. Once we have attained clarity, we must hold on to our desires with unwavering focus, refusing to be swayed by doubt or fear. It is in this unwavering focus that the magic of manifestation truly unfolds. Imagine two seeds, each containing the potential for a magnificent tree. The first seed is planted in fertile soil, watered regularly and bathed in sunlight. The second seed is tossed carelessly onto a concrete path, exposed to the elements and trampled underfoot. Which seed will flourish and grow into the tree it was destined to be? The answer is obvious. The seed that is nurtured and cared for will thrive, while the seed that is neglected and abused will wither. Our minds are like the soil in which our desires are planted. A mind cluttered with worry, fear and doubt is like the concrete path, offering no nourishment or support. A mind that is calm, focused and filled with positive expectancy is like the fertile soil, providing the ideal environment for our desires to take root and grow. This parable highlights the importance of cultivating a mind that is conducive to manifestation. By nurturing our minds with positive thoughts, empowering beliefs and unwavering faith, we create the fertile ground for our desires to blossom into reality. Section 5. The Symphony of Alignment. Manifestation is not merely a mental exercise. It is a holistic process that involves aligning our physical body, emotions, thoughts, and energy. Just as a symphony orchestra requires each instrument to be in tune and playing in harmony, so too must we harmonize the different aspects of our being. Our physical body is the vessel through which we experience the world. When we nourish our bodies with healthy food, regular exercise, and sufficient rest, we create a strong and vibrant vessel for our desires to manifest through. Our emotions are powerful indicators of our alignment. Positive emotions like joy, love, and gratitude amplify our energy and attract more of what we desire. Conversely, negative emotions like fear, anger, and resentment deplete our energy and block the flow of abundance. By aligning our physical body, emotions, thoughts, and energy, we create a powerful symphony of intention that resonates throughout our being and extends outward into the universe. Section 6. The Seed of Certainty. Faith is the seed of certainty that we plant in the fertile ground of our aligned being. It is the unwavering belief in the unseen, the unshakable trust that our desires are already on their way to us. Doubt and fear are the weeds that can choke the seed of faith, preventing it from taking root and growing. When we allow doubt to creep in, we create resistance within ourselves, blocking the flow of manifestation. To cultivate faith, we must silence the voice of doubt. We must choose to believe in the unseen, to trust in the timing of the universe, and to know with every fibre of our being that what we desire is already ours. This inner certainty creates a powerful magnetic field that draws our desires to us. It is the unwavering belief that transforms possibility into probability and probability into reality. Section 7. Vibrational Harmony. Everything in the universe vibrates at a specific frequency. Our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs all emit unique vibrations that interact with the vibrations of the universe around us. When our thoughts, emotions, and energy are aligned with our desires, we emit a powerful vibration that resonates with the same frequency as our desires. This vibrational harmony creates a magnetic pull, drawing our desires to us like iron filings to a magnet. Conversely, when our thoughts, emotions, and energy are in conflict with our desires, we emit a discordant vibration that repels what we desire. This is why it is crucial to address any limiting beliefs or negative emotions that may be holding us back. By consciously choosing thoughts, emotions, and actions that are in alignment with our desires, we raise our vibration and align ourselves with the frequency of abundance. Section 8. The Universe Conspires. The universe is not an indifferent observer, but an active participant in our lives. It conspires to support our desires, orchestrating synchronicities and presenting opportunities that align with our intentions. When we set a clear intention and align ourselves with it, the universe responds. It may not always happen in the way we expect or on our timeline, but it will always unfold in a way that serves our highest good. Our role is not to control the universe, but to trust in its wisdom and timing. It is to surrender to the flow of life, knowing that we are always guided and supported. As we relinquish the need for control and surrender to the divine dance of manifestation, we open ourselves to receiving the infinite possibilities that the universe has in store for us. Section 9. The Timeless Dance of Creation. Time is not linear as we perceive it. It is fluid and malleable, influenced by our thoughts, beliefs, and expectations. When we focus on the lack of something, we anchor it in our present reality, making it seem further away. However, when we shift our focus to the feeling of already having what we desire, we collapse time and bring it closer. We tap into the timeless realm of pure potentiality, where anything is possible. Manifestation is not about waiting for something to happen in the future, it is about creating it in the present moment. It is about embodying the feeling of our desires now, knowing that the physical manifestation is simply a matter of time. As we master the art of aligning our thoughts, emotions, and energy with our desires, we become conscious creators of our reality, dancing in harmony with the timeless rhythm of creation.